Hello, my Clarinet students. This is the video for teaching us our A, which is concert G. We're going to scroll past all these scales that we've already learned, and we are going to go to our A scale. I'm going to put my video right up here. So it's the same combination of the bottom B and outside C sharp we did in the last one. We start on our A5, middle finger B, C sharp, this banana key, E or D, E, F sharp, and now this is the rock and roll scale. Make sure that when you rock to the G sharp and roll to the A, this way we don't get any funny little blips in here. Rock and roll and rock. It's important that this is nice and smooth. Even though these are simple notes, you need to make sure then that you are keeping the transition smooth between these three. After our A, we're at that bottom B again. So when you're playing your A, push down these fingers. It makes it sound good. And you're already teaching your bottom pinky where to go. Bottom right B, outside C sharp. Right, left, right, left. Practice that transition. D, E, F sharp, middle finger. G sharp, banana. A2. This is the scale. You need to make sure you practice going down. G sharp, F sharp, E5, D, outside C sharp, bottom B. The same way you go up is the same way you go down. Don't try to get fancy and switch anything up. Outside C sharp, bottom B, A, rock and roll your way down. E, D, C sharp, banana, middle finger, and A. Now, going down to this next one. I've included here the fingerings for those notes that you might want to look at. Notice over here, oops. Notice over here we have the right and the left marked in. Please mark these in on your papers so that you remember that it is right, left going up and left, right going down. It's not highlighted, it's just be natural, but we need to make sure we remember which fingers we're using. All right. Have fun practicing this, guys. Enjoy.